Hello everyone, Sam is here from myfirstmagicwave.com. I'm making this video about Bitcoin. This is the first time I'm doing the analysis on Bitcoin, and because a lot of people were asking, and yesterday somebody else again asked about it, so I said, well, you know what, I'm gonna do the analysis and then I make the chart, and then I did make the chart, and this decided to explain the sometimes there are things that need to be explained in words rather than the charts, right? So let's get started. See how I do with this Bitcoin. Like I said, this is the first time I'm doing the analysis on Bitcoin. I had no idea how it moves. I don't trade this. So, well, let's see, right? Okay. So this is the Bitcoin. It's a weekly chart, right? And this is what I see. By the way, Christian, this is basically, when you asked me, and I remember yesterday I told you that I'm going to make a chart and send out. So I'm making this video for you, and then I'm going to make it public so whoever get the benefit out of it. Anyway, so now, yeah, I remember I told you that it's a strong buy, right? Yeah, so this is the chart. Based on this, you can see there's two big wicks here at 78%. We're closing, the last one was closed above, and then this one also. And this is like a harmonic pattern. X, A, B, C, D. B is around 61%, and then we go up there for 38%, and then come down here for 78%, even though we went down all the way to 88%. But we end up going and closing above 78%. So harmonic pattern, not 100%, the solid pattern, but yeah, something like that is in the air, right? So you have it here, and the chances are that we're going to go up and towards these TLs. Now it may not go, right? So how do we know? How do we get or make an entry? That is the key. Now these numbers, you see these numbers? That's a 63, 33, and 58, 88, and then the number just above it is 64, 61. These are very important number, right? And based on this, I had another chart. And by the way, this is a weekly chart, right? And I'm gonna mark all these highs and lows because I noticed that they are, very, very precise and very, very exact and working with the price. For example, 56.61. So if I show you this chart here, right, and look this low here exactly 56.61, exactly 56.61, and then it bounced from there and then it went up. Okay, so this is how precise it is. 56.61 right there, right? And there's another low. It says 50. Well, no, 56.61 is the lowest point. So exact same, but to the pip, it touches here and flies off, right? So this is how it is, and then it goes back to where? This is the number here, very, very precise, exact number, and this is 63.33 right there, right? And you know where it is. I just showed you 63.33, and then from there it is dropping again. So this is where, see this candle here, the weekly candle. This is where all the whole this pattern is cooking right now. So it from there, from the bottom, this candle went up all the way, drop, went up, and then it is dropping. I made the chart when we were up here a little bit, just below the pivot. I made the chart, I saved it, and now it is coming. But see this one, 60.73 is in the way, right? So if I'm right, and if my analysis was right, and then before it goes up, it may come down all the way here. This is what it does most of the time. Let me show you the diagram that this is a bad pattern, XA. Then B is around between 38 to 50%. So ours is exactly at 50%. Then it goes up to 23% line for making a C point, right? It posts a C point, so it already did. And now it is coming down here. So this is, what the bad pattern is. It finishes up down here, right? So, but uh, this is how I do, and I catch this early in the making, and then so you can trade all this pippage here. That's the benefit out of it if you learn, and then try to catch the C point. So C point is exactly 23% by the book, and now it's coming down, and so this is but this is the directional chart. I made this, right, and it has a special setting, and I'll let you know and the email. And but then this chart is right now is for the entries. Okay, this is a smaller chart. Now look at these entries here. Now it's turning bearish now, right? And then it is right now at 73 number, and then coming down, and then probably gonna go up, and maybe later on it will let me okay, so forget it. No, so yeah, it will make short setup and then continue dropping over the weekend. I don't know. It's the strange thing is that this chart is still moving. I don't know. Forex currency pairs, they stop moving until Sunday when the market opens up. But this thing is still moving. I don't know what the heck is happening. I never traded it and I never looked at it. See, it's dropping. It's dropping here. So here, I have no idea. But this is look at the entries, how the entries comes. It's just making a ranging and then trying to make a turn. But later on, it will be giving you entries, beautiful entries. Like for example, going down, this is how it is. See, it makes from top, it just turn, retrace a little bit, and then sideways, and then look. These are the entries with this IB setup. This one, beautiful entries, right? All the way down. So you can, and then going up also, if it is going to the upside, this is how, it gives the entries. Entry here, here, right? All of these are beautiful entries. And then again, after retracement, before that, look, you see how beautiful it is? Bearish, bearish, bearish. And then all of a sudden it goes above the wave, and then start giving you nice entries here, here. All of these are beautiful entries. So this is gonna be, it is interesting, and maybe keep looking into it, and then make the charts from now on. But this is how it is, and it is dropping, and this is my chart, my directional chart. Maybe it's a bad pattern, so it's probably gonna drop all the way down. I'm gonna write down the numbers here, different places, and then maybe I'll send out this chart to my subscribers, and then I'll teach them how to do. So this is what it is. This is what's happening, Christian. Be careful. Don't go long just yet, and then wait for, like I said, that this is what the chart is. If it is bearish, out of the question. Going long is out of the question. Going short right now, yes, it's in the air and it's dropping, and you can go. And you were right that it may go down to test those lows and then go up. Okay. I just the other day I just saw the weekly chart, and I told you that it is probably it's a strong buy, right? It is on a weekly chart. Later on, that's what's going to happen. But for now, maybe it will go and make that bullish bad pattern, and then it will go up. Okay, I hope you understand, and I hope that you get some benefit out of it. So this is it for now. I'm gonna send out this video as soon as I change upload the recording on the YouTube, and I'll make this video available to everybody else as well. Okay, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful weekend.